What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. The Call of Duty Black Ops 7 beta is coming super soon, with early access starting on the 2nd of October to the 5th, and finally the open beta for everyone to play from October 5th until October 8th. Now, of course, a lot of people will want early access to this, and it says that you need to pre-order Black Ops 7, but you can actually get free early access to the Black Ops 7 beta, and in this video, I'll show you everything you need to know. So, on callofduty.com/Black Ops 7/beta, linked down below, you'll find everything you need to know about this event right here, and there's actually a few different ways that you can get early access. So, how do you get the COD Black Ops 7 early access beta code in order to actually play from October 2nd? Well, you'll need to either pre-order or pre-purchase BO7 for Xbox SS, One, PlayStation 5 for PC Battle.net, Xbox PC, or PC Steam from a participating retailer, Microsoft Store, PlayStation Store, Battle.net, Steam Store, etc. When you pre-order or pre-purchase, you'll receive a 13-character early access beta code redeemable at callofduty.com/beta redeem. You'll find this page linked down below. You'll need to create your account and sign in if you haven't already. Then once you've done so, you can enter your code here, select a platform, in my case it'd be Steam, select a location, so your country, and after you redeem your code, you should be able to link your platform, or I guess, get a code to activate it on whichever one of these platforms you're actually trying to claim it on. Now, of course, if you don't want to pre-order or pre-purchase, you can pre-order, pre-purchase, get the 13-character email, and then cancel your pre-order if you wish, although there's many easier ways, such as, besides the usual pre-ordering, if you're an active subscriber of a qualifying Game Pass plan, be it Game Pass Ultimate, PC, or console, you're automatically validated to participate in the early access of the Black Ops 7 beta. So, if you are on Windows and you have the Xbox app, I'm currently an Ultimate subscriber, but usually just a regular Game Pass subscriber. With just this, you'll automatically have early access to the Black Ops 7 beta when it releases. As for preloading, I'm not too sure. I don't think anything is here just yet, but at least in the future, it should be somewhere here, and I'll obviously have it linked down below / in a comment when you're able to download and get things going. So that's actually the easiest way by far, is to become a Game Pass member. But there are a few other ways that don't require a credit card or debit card at all. Something else that we can do is head across to profile.callofduty.com, and here you can sign in, create your account, and then link your Steam account or Xbox account, whatever you're going to be playing the game on, as well as scrolling down and linking your Twitch account down here just by clicking Link Account. When you do so, you'll be able to earn the Black Ops 7 early access code by watching the Call of Duty next event, which is actually happening in roughly 2 hours of releasing this video, so probably an hour and a half from its release. Make sure to check it out September 30th, 9 a.m. PT, 12 p.m. EST, or around 12 p.m. EST using the Twitch link, which you'll find down below. Currently, this doesn't actually point anywhere, but once you watch the event, you'll actually be able to earn a code after watching about an hour of the COD Next stream. This is pretty much guaranteed, at least for the most part, and once you get this code, you can activate it once again on the COD Black Ops 7 redeem page. Everything you'll find linked down below. This is by far one of the easiest ways, and as long as you've properly linked your Twitch account to your Call of Duty account and Steam or wherever you're going to be playing the game, you should receive access. But besides that, you can keep your eyes on Twitter, for example, on Activision/Black Ops 7, where keys might be dropping, but obviously for the most part, the Game Pass is the easiest way to get everything going. Again, you'll find everything you need linked down below. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.